876 streets.
My name is Hudson. I'm from Montego Bay, St. James. I'm the organizer for King of Shores. Any racer for the first time? I'm the owner and the driver of this 2001 DC5 Type R. I've been racing professionally for the past 15 years. I started off with a red Suzuki GTI. It wasn't that impressive because I was running like 16.9, 17 do. Then I step up the game a little and get a supercharged Levine, 95 supercharged Levine. Everybody knows that Levine with the Tweety bird on the bonnet, yeah. And I was competing in the 15-second class then. And then I step up to the Honda, a silver Honda DC2. And man, the fun just started. I was very competitive in 14 seconds. My best time for that car was 13.7. Was my best time for that car. But in those days, 13.7 was like 11 seconds now. Then I changed to a DC5, a black DC5. Wasn't a Type R, but have Type R specs. Had a K24 bottom half with the Type R head. And because of the engine, the compression of the pistons, it wasn't that durable. So I moved from there and I got this DC5 Type R, and from then, this is my baby. All right, my biggest competitor then was Alpine when I was running the Levine, 15-second class. Alpine was my biggest competitor then, which is now deceased, and Bossy D, known as the Z Boss.
The ramp with the Z, you know?
He also was my competitor. He used to drive a 91 Corolla. Now, my biggest competitor now was Spoon.
Yeah, so there now we're going to start up the machine.
But seems like Spoon kind of step up in thing, you know. It looks like he's moving ahead of me, but I'm not too far from him because I was really preparing for his Integra. Kevin is one of my biggest competitors now.
Big man thing, Hudson. Half of your head.
I would advise him to switch to 10 seconds because the 11-second class will not be an easy road. It won't be an easy road for this meet. And my most memorable moment, I have to stand up here one here. My most memorable moment during racing is 1 year at Vernon Field when I went to final with Little T. And before the final run, a gentleman named Tallman came over to me and said, "Man, at least you're bringing back down a second place trophy." I said, "Second place trophy? The final around it, pa." Tallman called Little T and said, "Listen, no disrespect, but you see this man is unbeatable. I tell you something, when I went in the final and lift clutch off that line, I remember all those words. Believe you me, I didn't ease up and I came out victorious." Biggest mistake I make, I tell all my fans to meet me at KFC, Santa Cruz. And by the time I reached the bottom of Spur Tree Hill, there was traffic, go straight to Santa Cruz KFC. Believe me, I have to put money on what I win to serve all of my fans. It was a real memorable moment. I will never forget that. So I'm running a 2-liter engine, a K20 Type R head. We have a stock intake. We have injectors at 1000 cc injectors. We have a G35 turbo with 82 back housing. We have a Series 2 AEM computer. Gearbox specs is, we have some gears 1 to 5, and I'm running twin disc action clutch. That's pretty much about it. Well, my biggest challenge getting the car ready for race is scrapping down the car from street car to race car. That's only that challenge. You're talking changing the bumpers, the door, the trunk, taking out the seat. I mean, that's my biggest challenge. Because you know, when you have a 9 to 5, it's not easy to fit in all these things. But that's my biggest challenge right now in terms of preparing for meet, race meet. My best quarter mile time was at King of Shores last year. We are on a 11.1. I was driving this DC5 Type R. What I hope to achieve by the end of the year is anything with the first 2 digits, 10. What you can expect from me at Drag Rivals 2 is a repeat of King of Shores in December. Coming out on top. Competitive, going to take it to them. So you can look out for a good day from me and my baby at Drag Rivals 2. Yeah, my number one shout out will go to God, of course, for keeping me thus far and protecting me on the road and during my drag race events. Next, I would like to big up Life Call 24-hour ambulance service, Mr. Gooden. If it was not Life Call, maybe I wouldn't be here right now. So I have to big up my sponsor, Life Call 24-hour ambulance service. Also, yeah, Miguel and Mags 24 hours wrecking service. Yeah, give a shout out to Miguel. Big up all my fans, my family. Big up all who give me the support. Big up every police officer, especially one them from Mobile. Because you make it possible, you know what going on now. You understand? And even though the crime rate is high, you always find time to come and support me.
I hear what going on now. You see that car, baddest thing on the road. Big up yourself 876, Andrew. Big up yourself 7 Speed.
Yeah, I want to big up everybody who's been supporting King of Shores over the year. And listen me, Drag Rival, no exception, one voice. So even though you come to December to support King of Shores, we are looking forward to see a Drag Rival 2. Let the event be bigger and better. Special shout out to Xavier Murray, the builder and tuner for my engine. Not the easiest person to get along with, but what it to see I give it on to him. Because from his build this engine, it's always been reliable. So, Xavier, big up yourself. I want to call out John Bread. Well, not John Bread, because I get to understand that he went back to the bakery, so he get a brand new loaf of bread. So, L-Boy, the last time you could not make it because of personal issues. So, I'm looking forward to see this Drag Rival. Also, Kevin.
Big woman thing, Andrew Hudson. For your head.
It won't be a pretty competition this time around. Miguel, you push me to my limit, but you're gone to 10 seconds now, so look out for me, I'm coming after you. And last but not least, Pluggy. Me say one about my head. So make sure you try, prepare, and ready for Drag Rival 2. March 31st, 2019. Boom. We are big up Automania Car Wash.
Yeah man, I add car wash in the street man. Big up Andrew man, the bad car, you see me? I forget this thing right, get it going man. So big up at the car wash Automania. We respond to the odd thing them, you don't know. Nice car wash restaurant, nice ambience, everything. Come on Mobile, just link up, you don't know. Andrew, big up yourself every time.
Man,
76 streets, do it.
Kevin, Spoon. The rest of them man, they may hear me, you see this, everything in I turn up. See it?
So me I call out brown breed.
Got it!
Brown speed. Brown bread. Don't put this in there, too much big. Everybody know me as Andrew. Come, nobody with yo. Alpine, which is now deceased, and Bossy D, they call him the... What kind of boss again?
The ramp with his head, you know?
I want to support all my fans. So I'm just taking this time to tell you to come to Drag Rival. Not flowing, it's not flowing. One more time. Oh, you know pretty, you don't know about car, relax. So we're looking forward to see a Drag Rival 2 on March, not 34th, but 31st, 2018. 2019. Encourage all my fans to come out at Drag Rival 2, March 31st, and give her support because we are saying one voice. For everybody planning to compete. One more time. Erase that, please. Me and my brother still, you know. Me and my brother, I better want him to put.
Got it! Got it!
Every driver planning to compete in 11-second class, Drag Rival 2, I have one Bible verse for you. One Bible verse, that's your homework. Go home and read because I'm telling you, you're tired to see your face. You can't get you out of the race. Boom. We are predicting a great day, so we just want to go there, have some fun, no quarreling, and know say the race this time is for the swift and not for those who endure today. So the next big event, Drag Rival 2, March 31st, 2019. To miss is to diss. You must be there. Be there and be there early. I'm out.